Trenching. Trenching is a critical part of the installation process for an irrigation system. Trenches must be dug correctly to the right depths and in the right layout to accommodate the pipes and feed sprinkler heads. The first step in the trenching process is to call the appropriate local utility to have buried utility lines on the property marked. You do not want to sever an electrical or gas line during your installation, so always remember to call before you dig. After the underground utility lines are marked, you can mark out the mains, laterals, and sprinkler heads for the irrigation project. You should have a detailed site plan to work from. Sprinkler head locations are usually staked with flags, and pipelines are marked out with spray paint. It's important to keep your lines as straight and square as possible. Remember, you will be working with 90-degree and 45-degree connectors most of the time. Plan out your pipelines so those connectors will work where you need them to. There are several different methods of digging trenches, from digging by hand to using an excavator or a skid steer with a trenching attachment. The trenching method depends on the size of the project and how much room there is to maneuver. In some cases, you might use more than one method, again depending on the size and layout of the property. Trench depth will vary depending on climate. In warm climates where freezing isn't likely to be an issue, trenches are usually dug between 12 and 18 inches deep for mains and between 6 and 8 inches deep for laterals.